Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's shaking up the global economy, the USA-China trade war and how it's hitting Pakistan's economy hard in 2025. If you are curious about how this international showdown affects your wallet, jobs or even Pakistan's future, stick around. This is going to be an eye-opener. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into what's shaping our world. Let's break it down. In April 2025, the US and China are locked in a heated trade war. The US has slapped tariffs as high as 145% on Chinese goods, while China is hitting back with 125% tariffs on American products. Why? The US says it's about fixing trade imbalances and protecting its industries. China calls it economic bullying and is doubling down to protect its own markets. This isn't just a fight between two superpowers. It's sending shockwaves across the globe, and Pakistan, with its deep ties to both nations. Pakistan's economy is like a tightrope walker balancing between US and China. China is Pakistan's biggest trading partner and investor, pouring billions into projects like the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Think highways, power plants and ports. Meanwhile, the US is a major export market, especially for Pakistan's textiles, which make up 60% of our exports. But here's the catch. When the US and China raise tariffs, it messes with global supply chains, spikes prices, and puts pressures on countries like Pakistan. Let's see how. First up, exports. The US has imposed a 29% tariff on Pakistani goods, making our textiles like clothes and bedsheets way more expensive for American buyers. Result: demand drops, factories slow down, and jobs are at risk. Next, imports. Pakistan relies on China for raw materials and machinery. With China's economy slowing down due to the trade war, those imports are getting pricier. That means higher costs for Pakistani businesses, and you guessed it, higher prices for everyday stuff like electronics and groceries. And then there's investment. China's massive projects in Pakistan might take a hit if their economy stumbles. Less investment could mean fewer jobs and slower growth. Oh, and let's not forget inflation. Higher import costs and a weaker rupee could drive up prices across the board, squeezing the average Pakistan's budget. So what's the way forward? Pakistan could diversify its exports. Think more markets beyond the US. We could also invest in local manufacturing to reduce dependence on Chinese imports. And for you, the viewer, stay informed, support local businesses, and push for policies that protect our economy. The trade war is a wake-up call. Pakistan needs to adapt to thrive. That's the story of how the US-China trade war is shaking up Pakistan's economy. What do you think? How should Pakistan navigate this mess? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and hit subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.